subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the price chart or the long-term chart of Spanish Mountain Gold Limited, and this is the stock which can give you big swing if it holds at its current level. So let us discuss about the opportunity over here, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. Now primarily, let me tell you, this stock is listed in Canadian Stock Exchange, so mind you that the currency is in Canadian dollars. Right now, if you are looking at this particular stock, what do we have here? We have a very important level above which the stock is currently holding, and if the stock holds, if this stock holds, here we are above these two levels, then we will have some big move going forward. So let us first describe or discuss about these two levels on the downside. So what do we have here? We have, here we are, let me adjust this levels a bit. You have a 0.18 on the downside, which is going to be your immediate support, and as far as the lowest end or the stop loss is concerned, I would say is 0.14. So do not go below these two levels, more specifically below 0.14. So this is your stop loss. Do not go below this level. Be disciplined so that you can save your principal amount. Now, if this particular stock continues to sustain above 0.18, the first target or the primary target, and I think it's also reached, or the stock has already crossed 0.22. Now it's a good sign because we want the stock to sustain above 0.22. 0.22 was your big resistance in the year 2016. So we must want the stock to sustain above that. If it happens, or if the stock continues to sustain above 0.22, the range will expand or the swing will expand. Then we will have our next target at 0.33. Okay, so 0.33 will become the next target, and beyond that, beyond 0.33, you will have a big range expansion which will push the price in between 0.78 and 0.90. So these are the two targets that we are looking at, even beyond 0.33. And let me tell you, this will happen, this will take time, and this will take time in the next, or this will happen in the next couple of weeks or months, or probably if it takes years, we can't say. So do not expect something which will happen overnight. So this is for the long term, and the trend is also for the long term. So we have 0.78 and we have 0.9. Going forward, we have beyond 0.9, we have 1.32, and the highest end of the range, we have here is in between 2.1 and 2.5. So this is how the long-term chart looks like, and this is where the big opportunity is. Now, if you feel that the levels are very small and how much one can gain, so in terms of percentage, it is 1000%. So there is huge amount of money to be made if you understand the trend and if the trend works out for you. But primarily, as I told you, we must not go below 0.14, and the stock must sustain above 0.18 and more specifically above 0.22. Now, looking at the overall structure, this is very important. Looking at the overall structure, the swings are very weak. You can see some huge swings that are happening in this particular stock. What does it indicate? It indicates huge amount of volatility as well as the risk that is also included along with the profit. So if you are taking a risk, or if you're thinking about profit, you should also think about the risk or what will happen in case of any adverse scenario. So in this case, you need to follow your support level, and that's why I'm saying it again and again, do not go below your important support levels on the downside. On the upside, we know the levels and it's all profit, but on the downside, beyond a certain level, we do not want to take the risk, and there is no need to take any risk. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.